Hello, in this video we're gonna check if iPad 4th generation 11-inch Pro have a stereo speaker. And to do this we need to basically cover each of the speakers with our fingers, and if the sound is coming from at least two sources, that's a stereo speaker. And pretty much I can already confirm it, but let's try it anyway. So there's 4 speakers on this device, 1, 2, 3 and 4, and the sound was coming from all of them. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.